I'm with Arianna. Say hello, Arianna. So today we're going to be making big giant slime. Fluffy slime. Fluffy slime. So yeah, we got these shaving creams. We got four. And then we got a big gallon of glue. So yeah, let's get started. First, you need glue. And then you need shaving foam.
Not 1 or 2 or 3, but 4 shaving cream.
Then you need, container. And you need some water.
And borax.
That's not how you do it, okay. Okay, y'all, so you see like the camera's more like bigger. We're doing that so you can actually see us pour this in. So yeah, I'm sorry for the ratchet mirror over there, but yeah. Let's start pouring the glue. You wanna pour the glue?
Yeah. Should we do a tester first?
No.
No?
Go with it.
Okay.
Okay, how much should I pour? You tell me to stop. Ready?
Maybe more.
What? Woo! Oh my god.
I think that's good. Yes, no. That's good.
Let me see. Let me pop it off. Okay, let's do it. Oh wow.
Oh, why is yours so much better?
I don't know.
Oh, because I shaking it. Yeah.
English. Oh, frick.
I think that's.
No, keep pouring. It's all more glue.
We're good.
Yes, Mom, put the background music in it.
Friends who do stuff together. Who is for you and me? And it's
Oh shoot. Okay, it goes away. It's gone. It's gone.
Oh!
Oh, okay, we're good.
Wanna mix it?
Yeah, I want to mix it. Forgot to get mixing thingy.
This is me.
I frick no.
I'm using my hand.
Mix it. Oh my god.
Dang.
It's pretty thick.
Oh dang.
Disgusting.
Thick with 3 C's.
Hurry up and mix it.
Mixing. Help me.
I can't. I'm holding the camera.
I'm just a kid who's poor. Each day I go some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With mommy and daddy, I'm finding my way. I'm just a kid who's
Move your spoon.
I'm so prepared. My hand is like permanently dyed because I caught food coloring.
Okay, so we're gonna pour it in. I'm nervous, dude. I think this is gonna go wrong.
Don't put all of it in. Just like stir a little bit at a time. Oh, you're the one. Yeah, we're cool.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little Einstein. Climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find, little Einstein.
Hold on. Is it fluffy?
No.
We need more shaving cream then.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, ASMR to the max. Oh dang. Oh dang, listen to that audio. That's some good stuff. Gucci. El Gustario? Oh.
That is not Spanish. Hey, y'all ready?
Oh. It's going on the desk. Great. Stop.
Hey, we Gucci?
You're lucky with Gucci.
Satisfaction. Right?
So what do you do in your spare time, Yasmo? Oh,
I do that. nice and
Okay.
firm.
Oh, I think we ruined it a long time ago because we didn't look at any YouTube videos for any measurements or anything. We eyeballed it all, and yeah.
Okay guys, hopefully you have enjoyed that video, and hopefully you have enjoyed my friend being here. Yeah, she has no name, Shady Arianna, but but yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell your friends about it. Okay, bye y'all.